Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 45. Which of the following statements is not a precautionary measure in beekeeping? A. The apiary should not be fenced to allow for proper ventilation. B. The attendant should always wear protective clothing. C. Warning signs should be placed near an apiary. D. Locate apiaries far from human dwellings. So beekeeping is also known as apiculture. And the bee farm, okay, the bee farm where the bees are grown is known as the apiary. So we are asked which of the following is not a precautionary measure in apiculture or beekeeping. Now option A says the apiary should not be fenced to allow for proper ventilation. Now this is false, okay? This is not a precautionary measure in beekeeping. The apiary should be fenced, okay? The apiary should be fenced, okay? So this is to restrict the bees within in the case of any accidents, or breaks. So the bees can remain confined within a particular area. So the apiary should be fenced. So this option is not a precautionary measure, so it is the answer to this question. So let's look at the other ones and why they are not the answer to the question. Now option B says the attendant should always wear protective clothing. Obviously this is a precautionary measure, as we know that bee stings, okay, bee stings are often could lead to serious problems and could even in extreme cases be fatal. So it is required for the attendant to always protect him or herself by wearing protective clothing. So this is a precautionary measure and hence is not the answer to the question. Now option C says warning signs should be placed near an apiary. This is also true. This is a precaution, as warning signs should be kept to warn bypassers about the presence of bees in that area. So option D says locate apiaries far from human dwellings, and this is also a precaution. Apiaries should not be located close to or residential areas, also in the case of accidents or breaks, okay? So this is not the answer. So as we have rightly established, option A is the answer to the question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.